girls 13 and up.
Yep.
Lane 1 is Leah, lane 2 is some 17-year-old.
Here we go, here they go.
Oh, I would like you not to step in front of the camera.
Keep it going, Leah! Very nice. Leah's doing good, huh? She could win it. She could win it. She just needs to pick it up. Pick up your stroke. Up! Up!
Pick it up! Pick it up!
Come on, Leah. She's doing good.
She's not swimming as fast as she usually swims.
She's got it. Come on, Leah. Go. Close.
Woo! That was very close.
All right.